Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question of the day. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 8. Then the relation from a to r is r equal to x, f of x such that x belong to a, f of x equal to plus minus 4x is function or not. Solution. Given that we have given a set a which is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 8. And relation r equal to x, f of x such that x belong to a, f of x equal to plus minus 4x. Here x, f of x represent order pair in xy plane. X belong to a. This will represent the domain of the given relation, and f of x equal to 4x represent the range of the given relation. Now at x equal to 1, where x belong to a equal to 1, 2 up to 8. At x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to plus minus 4 multiplied by 1. So at x is equal to 1, range of the function equal to plus minus 4. Mean that at x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to plus 4. Similarly, at x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to minus 4. Mean that for x is equal to 1, there exist two values of y, which is plus 4 and then minus 4. Similarly, at x is equal to 2, f of 2 equal to plus minus 4 multiplied by 2. So f of 2 equal to plus minus 4 2s are 8. Means that at x is equal to 1, there exists two value of y, which is plus 8 and minus 8. f of 2 equal to plus 8, f of 2 equal to minus 8. Now we show that this is a domain of the function, this is range of the function. X belong to a equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 8, and this is the range of the function. This will represent f of x. So here domain of the function a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At x is equal to a, there exists two value of y. Mean that at x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to plus 4. Similarly, at x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to minus 4. At x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 4, and at x is equal to 1, f of 1 equal to minus 4. Similarly, at x is equal to 2, there exists two value of y, plus 8, minus 8. At x is equal to 2, plus 8, at x is equal to 2, give me minus 8. So here a repetition occur from the domain of the function. Therefore, the given relation is not a function. Thanks.